Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of your character on Fall Guys. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Fall Guys game within your device. And if you're opening it up for the first time, you will have to complete the basic tutorial levels. Once you gain access to the homepage, if you wish to change the color of your character, just tap on the character icon alongside the home button at the top section. This will now show you the outfits menu. Go ahead and click on it, and now you can choose from various different colors. You can tap on the ones that are available, and you can unlock more characters as you move forward within the game. After you have chosen your desired color, you can go back to the previous menu and you will be asked whether you want to save your changes. Make sure to tap on the save option, and now the color of your character will be changed. You can go back to the home menu and start enjoying your game with your chosen color for your character right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the color of your character on the Fall Guys game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.